Hi, Leo Scarborough here, the Buildsmith from Buildsmith Solutions. This is video number 7 of the interactive ebook. By this stage, you've gone through the brief, you've understood whether or not you're building, you've understood health and safety, you've found yourself a designer, and then you've budgeted and understood for all of the other experts that you need in order to deliver your building project. You're now at the point where you might be getting schemes and planning permission that's been designed by the architect. Please note, look at the golden rules at the back, you have not talked to a builder. So this is the point where you're looking at the scheme designs by the architect. This is a chance for you to understand what you don't like. Now, again, people think it's what you do like. There is an element of that. But the last thing you want on your scheme, whether or not it's new build house, school, domestic extension, whatever it is, the last thing you want to do is get to the end of the project and say, I wish I considered that, or why didn't we do it this way? The scheme design and the planning approval process is a chance for you to do that. Look and understand what you don't like, what you do like, and make a note of it. This is your time to negotiate with the architect and understand what can and can't be done. By using the process set out in this ebook, you found a really good architect which is challenging you on understanding what you can and can't achieve, what is and isn't buildable, and what aligns with your budget. So that's a key thing here, is that when looking at scheme design, you need to double check against the budget all the time, and your architect should be able to lead you on that. Don't ignore them, please do listen to them. And when it gets to the point where you can actually put in for planning permission, so this is a scheme, you've rationalised every kind of scheme that the architect's given you, you've come up with the absolute golden nugget, you've gone through all of the compromise, you understand what you don't like, you understand what you do like, and you've gone in for planning permission, you'll see in the interactive workbook that you can actually outline all of the details you need and track it on behalf of you or the architect, and actually ask the right and relevant questions. The key here is to make sure that your scheme is checked against your budget at all stages and before it goes into planning permission. Now, what it says here in the ebook is don't worry if you get a refusal. Refusals are actually good things because it absolutely tells you what the planners don't like, which means the next design you go in for, you can actually address all of the elements. Yes, you're going to lose some time. Yes, it's going to be frustrating. But if you've got a good quality architect on board, they should be telling you this anyway. And they should help you to be able to navigate through the planning and permission stages. But remember, it's about understanding what you don't like, understanding what you do like, and testing the budget against your design now. The last thing you want is for it to come out of planning permission and it already be over budget. If you've got any questions at all, click the link below. There's ways to engage with us on how to answer your questions further. Cheers.